This is an installation and review video on how to install a trailer hitch on a second generation Toyota Prius. Looks like they stuffed the hardware inside of here. That's awesome. I think I'm gonna put that up on the fridge later. It's so nice when a company can supply the nuts and bolts to get the job done. Oh, I can't believe how heavy this thing is. That metal is thick. It's gotta be 1/4 inch. What a cool logo. And you get 2 of them on this hitch. Always be sure to set your parking brake anytime you work on your vehicle. There are 2 recovery points at the back of the vehicle that will need to be removed. This is where the hitch is bolted down. Next, we will need to remove this plastic under tray that is held down by a few clips and a couple of bolts. And with that plastic tray out of the way, we can now remove the other recovery point. When you are done with these, you can throw them away along with the bolts. You will find 2 of these plastic clips that are held down to the pinch weld. Remove them and throw them away. And next, you will want to hammer in the pinch weld as it is in the way of the hitch. Don't forget to cut these 2 plastic tabs off. This part of the rear bumper has to be cut away to make room for the hitch. It's never too late to put your safety glasses on. Right now would be a good time to do so. This plastic tab has to be cut away to make room for the hitch as well. Sometimes it helps to scar the plastic to help create a guide of where you need to cut. These metal tabs need to be hammered out of the way as well. It doesn't have to look pretty, it just needs to be free and clear of the hitch. The process of installing this hitch requires a little bit of trial and error. Sometimes you need the channel locks to pinch this together to create just a little bit extra room. You can use a rolling jack or your whole body to lift the hitch for pre-installation. I like to secure the hitch with 1 bolt and then move to the other side and install it with the other 2. The torque specification is 40 foot-pounds for all 4 bolts. So this hitch installation is definitely custom work. You have to get creative a little bit with how you install this. Just like it said in the instructions, you end up cutting away this plastic trim right here. And I cut the cutting blade so that it would be nice and short, so when it's moving back and forth, it wouldn't hit against the bumper, which is right here. And this pinch weld on both sides has to be hit in with a hammer and clamped a little bit with some channel locks. The fit and finish on this hitch is perfect. The exhaust clears so it's not going to hit. This is the opposite side that also had to be cut out to make room for the hitch. You don't have to use a reciprocating saw. You could probably use a really sharp knife like a razor blade or a box cutter. So this plastic tray could be modified to go back under the vehicle. I installed this hitch on my friend's car and he said he doesn't care if it goes back on, so we're just going to chuck it. This is the part of the video where we stress test the hitch and see what it's capable of. That's impressive. All you need to do is go to priusoffroad.com to pick up yourself a high quality hitch.